Hello children, chapter 7, fraction, exercise 7F. Subtract the sum of 3 6 upon 10 and 3 1 upon 5 from 12. That is, firstly write 12, subtract the sum of 3 6 upon 10 and 3 1 upon 5. Solve this question. Firstly children's, change into improper fraction. 10 multiply 3, 30. 30 plus 6, 36 upon 10. Plus 5 multiply 3, 15. Add 1, 16 upon 5. 12 subtract as it is. So let's 10 and find. Denominator are not same. Find out the LCM. 10 and 5. 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. LCM is 2 multiply 5, that is 10. Write 10 in the denominator. 10 divided by 10 multiply by 36. Addition sign. Again write 10 divided by 5 multiply by 16. 12 divided 10 divided by 10 1 multiply 36 plus 10 divided by 5 2 multiply 16 upon में 10 12 as it is minus 1 multiply 36 plus 2 multiply 16 32 upon में 10 12 minus 36 plus 32 68 upon 10. So this is 12 upon 1. The LCM of 1 and 10 is 10. Write 10 in the denominator. Again write 10 divided by 1 multiply by 12 minus 10 divided by 10 multiply by 68. Equal to 10 divided by 1 10 multiply 12 minus 10 divided by 10 1 multiply 68 upon में 10 10 multiply 12 120 minus 1 multiply 68 upon 10 120 subtract 68. Write 120 subtract 68. 0 minus 8. 0 is a small digit as compared to 8. 2 से बोलेंगे 1 10. 10 minus 8 2. 1 minus 6 1 is smaller than 6. 1 से बोलेंगे 0. 11 minus 6 5. That is 52. Write 52 upon 10. 52 upon 10. Children, both number are divisible by 2. Write 52 upon 10 divisible by 2. 52 divided by 2. Your answer is 26. Write 26 upon 10 divided by 2 5. Change into mixed number, that is 26 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 6 minus 5 1. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. 1 is a remainder, 5 is a quotient, this 5 is a divisor. Write in mixed number 5 1 upon 5. This is the answer. Okay. Question number B. Subtract the difference of 6 upon 12 and 1 upon 24 from 9 4 upon 12. That is 9 4 upon 12 subtract 6 upon 12 subtract 1 upon 24. Okay. First is change into improper fraction, that is 12 multiply 9 108 add 4 112. Write 112 upon में 12 minus 6 upon 12 as it is 1 upon 24. Denominator are different, so find out the LCM of 12, 12 and 24. 12, 12, 24. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 12 are 24. Again write 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12. Again write 2, 3 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 3 are 6. Write 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Children's LCM is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Your LCM is 24. Write 24 in the denominator. It is a common denominator. Again write 24 divided by this 12 multiply by 112 minus, again write 24 divided by 12 multiply by 6 minus 24 divided by 24 and multiply by 1. 24 divided by 12. Answer is 2 multiply 112 subtract 24 divided by 12. 2 multiply 6 minus 24 divided by 24 1 multiply 1 upon me 24. Children, firstly solve this number. 2 multiply 112 is 224 minus 2 multiply 6, 2 6 is 12 minus 1 multiply 1 1 upon me 24. 224 as it is, subtract 12 minus 1 11 upon 24. 224 minus 11. Your answer is 213 upon me 24. Children, both number are divisible by 3. Divided by 3. 213 divided by 3. 3 7s are 21. 21 minus 21 equal to 0. Write down 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Answer is 71. Write 71 upon me. 24 divided by 3. 8. 71 upon me 8. Change into mixed number. 71 divided by 8. Children's 8 8 is 64. 1 minus 4. 1 is smaller than 4. बोरो लेंगे 7 से 6 11. 11 minus 4 equal to 7. Write in mixed number. That is 8 7 upon 8. This is the answer. Okay. Next question is, what should be added to 5 upon 16 to make it equal to 15? Children, let the added number is x. X plus 5 upon 16 equal to 15. Find out the x, that is added number. X equal to 15 minus 5 upon 16. 15 upon 1. Children, LCM of 1 and 16 is 16. Write 16. 16 divided by 1 multiply by 15 minus 16 divided by 16 multiply by 5. X equal to 16 divided by 1, 16 multiply 15 minus 16 divided by 16, 1 multiply 5 upon me 16. Firstly multiply 16 and 15. Answer is 240. Minus 1 multiply 5, 5 upon 16. 240 minus 5, 235 upon 16. Change into mixed number. Write 235 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16. 3 minus 6. 3 is smaller than 6. 2 से बोरो लेंगे 1. 13. 13 minus 6. 7. Write down 5. 16 4s are 64. 5 minus 4 1. 7 minus 6, 1. Your mixed number x equal to 14, 11 upon 60. The next question is D. Add 6 upon 15 to the difference of 5, 3 upon 4 and 2, 1 upon 8. Children, firstly find out the difference, then add 6 upon 15. Okay? 5, 3 upon 4, subtract 2, 1 upon 8, then add 6 upon 15. Firstly change into improper fraction. 5, 3 upon 4. Write 4 in the denominator. In the numerator, 4 multiply 5. 4 multiply 5. Add 3. 4 multiply 5, 20 plus 3 upon 4. That is 20 plus 3, 23 upon 4. Similarly, 2, 1 upon 8. Write 8 in the denominator. In the numerator, 8 multiply 2 plus 1. 8 multiply 2, 16 plus 1 upon 8. 16 plus 1, 17 upon 8. That is 23 upon 4, subtract 17 upon 8, then add 6 upon 15. Children's denominator are not same. So find out the LCM of 4, 8, 15. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 15 as it is because it is not divisible by 2. Again write 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 15 as it is, 1 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 15 as it is. Write 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 3 5s are 15, write 15, 5 1s are 5. LCM of 4, 8 and 15 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. This is the LCM. It is common denominator. Write 120 in the denominator like this. Again write 120 divided by 4 multiply by 23. Subtract, again write 120 divided by 8 multiply by 17. Add 120 divided by 15 multiply by 6. Firstly divide 120 and 4. 120 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Write down 0. 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. Your answer is 30. Write 30 multiply 23, subtract 120 divided by 8. 120 divided by 8. Children, 8 ones are 8. 2 minus 8. 2 is smaller than 8. 1 से बोलो लेंगे 0 और यहाँ पे 12. 12 minus 8 4. Write down 0. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40 equal to 0. Your answer is 15. Write 15 multiply 17 plus 120 divided by 15. 120 divided by 15. Children, 15 8s are 120. 120 minus 120 equal to 0. Answer is 8. Write 8 multiply 6 upon में 120. 30 multiply 23. 0 multiply 3, 0. 0 multiply 2, 0. Write 0 on the place of ones, because this 3 is present tens position. 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6, and then add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 9, 9, 6. 690. Write 690. Subtract 15 multiply 17. 7 5 is a 35. 5 write down this place. 3 carry. 7 1 is a 7. Add 3. 10. Write 0 on the place of ones. 1 multiply 5. 5. 1 multiply 1. 1. And then add 5 plus 0. 5. 0 plus 5. 5. 1 plus 1. 2. 255. Write 255 plus 8 multiply 6. 48 upon में 120. 690 subtract 255. 690 subtract 255. 0 minus 5. 0 is a small digit as compared to 5. 9 से बोरो लेंगे 8 और यहाँ पे 10. 10 minus 5 5. 8 minus 5 3. 6 minus 2 4. 435. Write 435. Add 48 upon में 120. 435 add 48. Children, 5 plus 8 13. 3 write down this place. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. 4. 483. Write 483 upon 120. Since both number are divisible by 3. 483 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 4 minus 3 1. Write down 8. 3 6 are 18. 18 minus 18 equal to 0. Write down 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. 161. Write 161 upon 120 divided by 4. 40. Now change into mixed number. 161 divided by 40. Children's 44 is 160. 1 minus 0 1. This is a remainder, this is a Q10, and this is a divisor. Write in mixed number, that is 4 1 upon 40. This is the answer. Okay children, thank you.